Also, for today, we have raspberry jelly hearts. So, for that, we need to buy one of these. Now, because I've got my 200 milliliters of boiling water, now we put it into here. So now after that video, you need to give the bag out and open it up, and then after put all of it in. So see? Then you mix it for a few minutes, like for about 4 minutes I would say. And after it will start to be wet. Mix. We added already 200 milliliters of water, and now we're mixing of cold water, and now we're mixing there to give a jelly. See? So now we got a different spoon because that one can't do it. So this is what the spoon is. Now we put it into here.